Growth sometimes feels strange because you are meeting a newer version of yourself, one who has been quietly forming beneath the surface. You might catch a glimpse of this person in the mirror and feel a sense of dissonance, a gentle disconnect from the reflection you've always known. This isn't a loss of self, but an introduction to who you are becoming. When old habits begin to fade, even healthy change can feel unfamiliar. The patterns you once lived by, the constant checking of your phone, the need to fill every silence, the automatic yes to every request, start to dissolve. In their place, a quiet stillness emerges. This new space can feel empty at first, almost unsettling, before you learn to appreciate it as peace. You may notice you react differently, choosing silence more often where you once would have argued. You no longer chase what once felt so urgent. The frantic energy that propelled you forward is replaced by a grounded, deliberate pace. You are learning to discern between the noise of the world and the quiet wisdom of your own intuition. This journey inward might also mean you outgrow certain relationships or environments. What once felt comfortable may now feel restrictive. This isn't a judgment on your past, but a sign that your soul is seeking more room to breathe, to expand. You are creating boundaries not to push others away, but to hold yourself close. This unfamiliarity does not mean something is wrong. It often means growth is quietly becoming natural. It's the feeling of your inner landscape shifting, of old structures giving way to a more authentic foundation. Document these moments. Acknowledge the subtle shifts. They are the footnotes of your evolution, proof that you are actively creating a life that feels true. A person changing internally often feels unusual before it feels stable. It's a delicate phase, like a seed breaking through the soil. Be patient with this version of yourself. Offer the same grace and understanding you would to a friend navigating a new chapter. Remember, everything in your transformation is proceeding at a clear just right. It is the space you can so lean into it. Trust in the process. This discovery is not yours. It is a welcome to They carry the wisdom of their experiences. This is
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.